By now, even most diehard climate skeptics have started to feel the impact of climate change in one way or another. After all, the past decade has been the hottest, wettest, driest, and most extreme on record in more ways than one. So let's count down five of the biggest climate records we've shattered over the past 10 years and explore what they mean for the future. And trust me, these aren't the kinds of records we're happy to break. 1. Warmer temperatures. Let's start with the obvious, the heat. The years 2015 through 2024 have been the hottest decade in at least 175 years of record keeping. The year 2024 was confirmed as the hottest year ever recorded, breaking the previous record set in 2023. Heat waves are also happening more often, lasting longer, and covering bigger areas. Across the U.S., daily record highs are happening twice as often as record lows, a complete flip from what used to be normal. 2. Greenhouse gas concentrations. Those heat records are powered by greenhouse gases that are higher now than at any point in hundreds of thousands of years. Carbon dioxide and methane are both at record concentrations. Meanwhile, the oceans are absorbing so much heat that we're seeing widespread coral bleaching. Sea levels are also now rising more than twice as fast as they were just a few decades ago. And because the ocean is also absorbing our excess carbon dioxide, its acidity is increasing, threatening marine ecosystems from the bottom up. More heat means more energy in the atmosphere, which means more extremes. 3. Extreme weather. The U.S. West has gone through its driest 22-year period in more than 1,200 years. At the same time, some regions are getting hammered with record rainfall, leading to catastrophic floods in the Amazon, Europe, and parts of North America. It's not just that we're seeing more disasters, they're getting more expensive, more destructive, and harder to recover from. 4. Melting ice. The poles are changing faster than anyone expected. Antarctic sea ice hit record lows in 2023 and 2024, the smallest coverage since satellite records began. Greenland's ice sheet is melting faster too. In 2021, rain fell at its summit for the first time ever. Mountain glaciers all over the world are also disappearing, with some projected to be completely gone within our lifetimes. 5. Economic costs of climate disasters. If it feels like wildfire season never ends, you're not wrong. Canada's 2023 wildfire season burned more than 45 million acres, more than double its previous record. Here in the U.S., 2023 tied the record for the number of billion-dollar climate disasters, 28 separate events according to NOAA. If you were anywhere near the Northeast last summer, you probably remember the wildfire smoke turning the sky orange, setting air quality records in cities like New York and Washington, D.C. So yes, the past decade really has been record-breaking in almost every way imaginable. The big takeaway? These aren't isolated events anymore, they're part of a pattern, and that pattern is accelerating. Hopefully, people are starting to recognize these patterns and understand that Mother Nature could have a rough ride in store. Let us know in the comments how you've been impacted and what you plan to do to prepare in the future. In the meantime, I hope you stay connected by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. I appreciate you all and hope you take care of yourself until we meet again.